friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review and the look of what I am wearing today. These lashes, obviously they're gone because they are now on my eyes, but I wanted to do a review on, this is the Lashview at home lash kit. This is something that I purchased off of Amazon. It retails for $17.99. It is available on Prime, so you can get free shipping, the free 2-day shipping. So I was able to get it super quick. So if you do have an event coming up, that is an option. The kit comes with 2 different lengths. It comes with shorter lashes at the top and then longer lashes at the bottom. So what I did was I did the shorter lashes here and then the longer here. These are obviously very volumized. So if you're looking for a very dramatic look, these are definitely it. I would not consider these natural by any means. So if you are looking for like an everyday look, these are not for you. But I do like the way that they turned out. It's a little bit more dramatic than what I normally would do, but we made it work. It does come with this little tool. I did find that it was super helpful. And then it comes with the mascara wand. So the glue's here, and then it has this little mascara method. If you guys have ever seen any of my other videos, which I will link below, of lashes, this is my preferred method. The mascara wand is so easy to put the glue on your lashes. It's super, you're not worrying about it clumping over. It's easy to control, and it's a natural feeling, because if you guys if you're used to falsies, then this video is not for you, or maybe it is for you, but I am not a falsies person. I could never get them. So I really like this method because I feel like I wear mascara. So this method of putting mascara on is super natural and something that I feel confident in. So putting the glue on is my preferred method, using the mascara one. So stay tuned. I'm gonna kind of take you through the video of making, coming up with this eye look, and then I will come back once the lashes start coming off and let you know how long the glue held up and what my final thoughts are and if I would recommend it. So stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is what the kit looks like. So I have done my full makeup. I've put on some eyeshadow, and that was it. So here it comes in this little box, and it has this little magnet mechanism. I can't think of the word, but there's 2 different sets. I can't remember. I think one of them's longer than the other one. So these are definitely a little bit longer than these. And then it comes with the glue, and then it comes with this little wand thing. So pretty much everything that you need in order to do your lashes. So I wanted to take a look and kind of see. So this is the glue, and okay, so it has this itty bitty mascara mechanism, which I prefer that method than like the normal falsie kind of lashes glue method. And so as far as the tweezer things, they actually got some weight to them. They're not super cheap feeling. They actually have almost this matte finish. And so it's almost like kind of a slight rubber feeling on the edge. I kind of like it because for me, like the other ones are like super shiny that I've used, and this I have a little bit more grip, so therefore hopefully a little bit more control. I also do like the fact that it's not a super curved edge. So like the Lashify ones and the Kiss one, it has this super huge, like there's a super curve. And I find that when it's less of a curve, it's less likely that I'm gonna tweak get my lids in it when I'm cinching them up. I just prefer that. So overall, I think these feel really good. I'm gonna take the lashes out. So they come in these things here. Let's see how easy. If you've watched any of my other videos, which I will link them down below, of the lashes that I've done, one of my biggest pet peeves is when they have the glue mechanism and the glue is a pain to get off. So let's see how easy these are. Oh, see, oh crap. I've already just tweaked one of them. I pulled too hard. So that's the bad thing about the glue, where the glue band holding it together, it just is so easy to tweak them. So the good thing is they're coming off without the band. I know I did one that was Allure and I could not get the little glue pieces off of it, but this one, there's no glue pieces, but I'm kind of tweaking them as I'm trying to take them off. And I don't know if you can see, but you can see that little piece of glue right there. So it's coming off, but let's see. Like I'm trying to grab it at the base without, but the way that it's angled in here, it's kind of hard to grab it without, see, I just tweaked that. Ugh, that is so frustrating. Like when you're looking at lashes and you're like, oh, they're super, super cost effective. See, I just broke that one in half because there's just no easy way. But when you look at them and you're like, oh, they're super cost effective, but then you end up tweaking half of them, trying to get them out of the container, just spend a little bit of money and buy the higher end ones and you won't have this problem. See, I don't know. I don't understand what's going on here. Okay, these are a piece of crap. I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it. Because I've ruined literally half of them trying to get the band off the glue. Ended up tweaking it. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of taking my nail and just kind of, see, I just broke that one. They are so flimsy. So I'm trying to take my nail and kind of push it, but see, I've never, even the Allure ones, they don't break this easy. I mean, I just broke that one too. So, okay. I have no lashes to do this video because the other ones are super long and they're not going to fit. I think I have literally one that I managed to get off that is perfectly intact. The other ones are either tweaked. Oh, this one may be. This one may be okay. Okay, so I have two, so I can do the inner corner. We'll start with that. So I'm gonna go here. These are much longer than what I thought I wanted, but we're just gonna go with it. And I'm gonna try very carefully to pull down. Okay, so these are coming off, seem to be a little bit easier. And I'm just taking my nail and kind of evening it there and then pulling off. Okay. So these are much better. The shorter ones, for whatever reason, are super tweaked and virtually impossible to get off without seriously screwing them up. I'm gonna work very carefully. Yeah, these are just, the longer ones are literally just peeling off without any issue. So there's definitely some kind of quality control issue going on between the two. So I got my two different sections. I've got two decent ones that I'm gonna start here. And then I have two more that are kind of halvesy that I'm probably gonna put right next to them. And then I have plenty of the long ones to do a full look with. So, and these are pretty volumized. Ooh. They're gonna be dramatic. That's what they're gonna be. But we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with the look. Okay. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna try to do it in my mirror so I don't get the stuff in my eyes. Because that's not good. You don't ever wanna get it in your eyes. Okay. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time, just because. And so I usually just pull it up. Oh, okay, okay. It's a little bit liquidy. So what I normally do, and I know a lot of people say don't go all the way to the end of your lashes. My lashes are kind of short. And so I will go to the end of my lashes just because I find that the bond works better. If you have super thick lashes or super long lashes, you only need to go to the half, but my eyelashes are just super short. So this is from Lashify. It's really dirty. I wish they would come up with a different color, but this is not part of this video, but I like it because it makes it go by quicker. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shorter lash. Damn, Gina, those are thick. Okay, I'm gonna go in with one of the side ones. Sometimes you get glue on the applicator, so you just take a little cloth and then just go. This is what I used for my makeup this morning, so it looks dirty, but it is dirty, but it was from this morning. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bigger one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do a little overlapping on this one, which I'm not sure how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna put it on the edge right here. And hopefully it works. We're gonna try it out. Man, damn, these are. So what I'm also going to do, I'm gonna layer them up a little bit. Now this mascara one isn't the best for this, but again, I wanna make it work. I have tarantulas on my eyes. That's the look I was going for. So just doing one eye, I can tell you that they are very, very soft. So when I go like this, I mean, it's not a plasticky feeling. It definitely feels kind of silky. So I do like that. I feel like the band itself is a little bit thicker than some of the other ones that I've tried. But even though I put a crap ton on this eye, I don't feel like, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. Obviously I can see it because I did put a lot on there, but it's not uncomfortable by any means. Like the band itself feels very, very natural. So not bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye. And just a pro tip, your eyes are going to be different, even though they kind of look the same. This eye is a little bit smaller than that eye, so it doesn't require as much. But so what I normally do is I do one at a time, and then that way I can mirror this one, but the placement's going to be slightly different. So pro tip. Okay, so there it is. There is the final product. They are definitely much more dramatic than I normally would go for. But like I said, we made it work. They went on relatively easy. The glue seems to be decent. It dried well. There was one, like stacking them is a little bit more challenging because it is that mascara wand. So kind of, I would, you know, you can see that little dollop there. That's kind of what I use to be able to stack them. I absolutely love stacking my lashes because for me, I think it helps with the longevity. It's something about that bond that just really helps them stay, but not bad. I'm really disappointed in the glue mechanism and trying to get the shorter ones off of the card, but I found like the longer ones were easier, and they are very, very soft here. So, and they're super comfortable. I mean, like I said, I can see them. They do feel like caterpillars in my eyes. I do feel like I have a little tarantula thing going on, but they are comfortable for how much I do have on. So I will take you through basically the transition of when they start falling off. So we'll see how the glue works, and if it's decent, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, I wanted to come on. It is early in the morning and I just woke up, so that's why I look like a mess. But I wanted to show you this right here is starting to come off. And overall, my whole, not that it's bad, but my eyes just feel kind of heavy. Up to this point, the lashes have been super comfortable. I haven't had any issues with them. Again, they're a little bit more dramatic than what I normally would do, but for how many I have on and how big and va-va-voom they are, I feel like they have been super comfortable. When I go like this, they're super soft. I would say softer than like the Kiss ones and the Allure ones and some of the Lashify ones. Like sometimes you get like little pokey things here. I have not had that, but this is just starting to break, and then I'm starting to see like just gook there. So I'm on day 4. So I think the glue is really good. I'm very happy with the glue. I could probably have gotten one more day if I just fixed this one right here, just pop it off and then fix the glue. I could have definitely gotten another couple days because the rest of them are still hanging on. But at this point, because it just, and it's not an uncomfortableness, but it's just, I feel like they're a little bit dirty or whatever, just because they're so thick and it's really hard to get in there. And you can see, you know, I just haven't done a really good job of cleaning it. So that's on me. That has nothing to do with the lashes. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like at the end. I've got 4 solid days wear them because I'm going on my 5th day. So it's 4 solid days.
So I'll take them off on the 5th day. Like the glue, I will definitely be using the glue in the future because I do like that mascara wand. I felt like the glue held up better than like the Kiss Falscara ones and the Allure ones, or particularly the Falscara one because it was wand. I do like the Lashify concept better because you have the mascara and then you have that little glue piece where you can put, you know, if you're stacking, you can just dot it there. This one, I was able to still stack and it still held up. So you can work a way around it. It's just easier with the Lashify one. But overall, I think the kit, you know, as far as the lashes and the glue go, I think they're great. The biggest thing was the difficulty getting the shorter ones out, and I ended up losing good majority. I was only able to save 2, but the longer ones were easy to get out. So it's $17.99 for the kit. I honestly and truly feel like the Kiss ones are just as good. And I feel like the glue ones were easier or the glue mechanism was easier to get off, so you didn't damage as many. So I would personally recommend the Kiss ones over these, but I actually really, really like these as far as comfort wise. I feel like they feel better. I feel like they're softer than the Kiss ones, but just the glue mechanism and the crappiness of that, I can't recommend it. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if there's any comments below or any questions. Please leave those below. Until next time, bye.